time to talk about the thing that people, I think, are the most afraid of when it comes to motorcycles, ignition
wheelies.
systems.
Oh.
No, that's you that's afraid of wheelies.
They're weird.
Some of us love wheelies. Anyway, ignition systems. So for me, some of my best memories are trying to figure out how to get my Triumph ignition system to be reliable, which was rather difficult. And if you converted to an electronic ignition, huge difference in how the bike ran, how it started, all of that.
Oh, yeah.
So how have things progressed in your own understanding of ignition systems, and especially as it pertains to vintage stuff?
They've progressed a lot, even in the past, handful of years, like back in the day, certain ignition systems just didn't come with kind of everything that you needed. It was kind of like the very beginning-ish of like coming up with a new way to run bikes. But now you have like C5 ignitions and vape ignitions, and those come with the ignition system. It's the charging system. It comes with the coil. It comes with the regulator rectifier. It comes with the advanced module.
Really?
Like it comes with everything you need.
Package.
The complete package. So you're not just replacing like one thing and still having like these other old things that can fault very easily. For this particular bike, it's a BMW. It's a R90/6. We've gone with the vape ignition system. Side note, they make these ignition systems for many different makes and models of motorcycles. You can just go to their website and find out exactly if your bike qualifies. The cool thing about this is it's a lot more reliable, and it gets rid of a handful of components that otherwise would just be there, regular maintained in the way. You've got your rotor in here and your stator in there, and it's basically takes the place of your original one. And this is also, it doubles as the ignition pickup. So now you can get rid of your points that were here and all of the other components that were with it, regulator and stuff like that, and just go with this one system, all in one. When you're talking about reliability and performance, if you're restoring something, or you want a daily rider, or you want like a hopped up hot rod, it's the way to go, in my opinion. It's totally worth it. I mean, $500, $600. I mean, like I said, it's a lot of money, but when you're completely redoing something, it's kind of like a drop in the bucket, right?
I love kits. It's taking out the issues and questions of compatibility is really, really important. So,
absolutely. If I can buy a kit that's got everything I need and a wiring diagram, like,
it's still DIY.
Totally.
But it's a kit, and so you're safer. You don't need to become an electrical engineer to be really good at wiring, right?
Damn.
Are you an electrical engineer now?
Now I am.
Now you are. You're totally. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, if I can do this, honestly, and people say this all the time, but man, if I can do this, anybody can do this.
Yeah, that's
really
fucking great.
Now's the time of video where most people ask for money or donations or whatever. I'm not gonna ask you for that. What I'm gonna say to you is, if you wanna see more videos and you wanna learn more of what we've learned, and you wanna see a deep dive into a lot of these topics, go to our website and buy something. We sell everything from motorcycle gear, helmets, motorcycle parts, specialized tools. We sell lots of things, and they've all taken us years to figure out what the best stuff is, and we figured it out. So go to revivalcycles.com. There's some really good stuff there. Everything from like kick-ass hand grips from Posh to Radiance LED lighting and everything in between. We want to teach you what we know, but this stuff takes time and it takes real effort to make these videos and make them good for you guys. So go support us by helping yourself to the cool stuff you already need. And it helps us because we make a little bit of profit, and then we can justify doing more videos. Thanks for your support.